Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dior here, your favorite bougie princess, and I'm back with another video. This will be the first review for this unit that I am wearing. I did purchase this off of Amazon. It was very affordable. Let me see. Let's just go into the details. So this hair is from Suyya hair, if I'm saying it correctly. It was $69.99. This is the 613 10-inch blonde frontal wig, or blonde lace front wig. I did place the order on the 15th of April and it arrived on the 28th. So this is like a couple of weeks that I have been wearing the hair. Now, when I first initially got the hair, it was super soft. Really no complaints. There wasn't really any weird smells. As far as the softness, like I said, it was super soft. The length, it seems true to length. I don't really ever measure my wigs because it's not that serious to me. And then the shedding on the hair, it sheds quite a bit. I don't know. I would say probably the same amount as any other unit. Of course, it is blonde, so I do feel like maybe it does shed a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more due to it being blonde and the hair being processed. Now, I have worn this wig or installed it about 2 to 3 times already. The hair is blonde, so it does tend to pick up on, let's say, my makeup. If I any type of oils, it weighs the hair down. So I do try to wash it often. Like I said, I think I washed it like 3 times already. Or if you look closely right here, you can see I got like makeup on my wig, as well as like right here. You can see it kind of in the undertones, but overall I do like it. I didn't have to bleach anything, of course, because it's already bleached blonde. So far, so good. I have used the hot comb on it and I have used the flat iron on it. If I'm not really going anywhere, or I don't have anything to do, I really just keep my bonnet on. I keep my scarf and bonnet on. Other than that, let me see if I can like turn around to show you guys. And I have been wanting a blonde unit for a minute. So one thing about me, if it's something that I do want to try out, I don't really try to spend a lot of money on it, because my fear is that I'm going to get it and it's nothing like I expected it to, or I'm not going to like it. But so far, so good. I really do like it. The only thing that is really irritating is the shedding, because it, like, there's a piece right here. Like, I have brushed it before I hopped on camera, so the hair does shed, but I'm not gonna knock the hair because it is processed. It's dead hair. So here's the thing. Once hair is off of or out of like the follicle, or just no longer on the head, it's completely dead. So it doesn't mean like you can do treatments to keep it from breaking. It's nothing you can do because the hair is already dead. But like I said, the shedding, I'm expecting that to happen, or I'm assuming that's happening because the hair is processed. Now, as far as with the dryness of the hair, it does feel a little dry, but I'm assuming that's just because, once again, the hair is processed. It's nothing like a little bit of the Garnier Fructis serum that I use can fix, and like, you know, just a little something to give it a little sheen. I don't want it to look too shiny. It moves, as we can see, it moves. And it's just cut into like a bob, basically. And like I said, I did go ahead and pay basically $69.99 for it. The shipping was free, of course. I believe Amazon does free shipping for orders or items over $30. I did place the order on the 15th, like I said, and it did not arrive till April 28th due to the fact of everything that we have going on out there, or on out here. Everything that's going on at this current moment. So it is causing delays for lots of websites, but overall, I think it did get here pretty quickly. Let me see what else. But like I said, so far so good. This is like the first review. I didn't want to do like an initial review because I feel like whenever you do buy hair, of course, the first time when you purchase it or when you have it in your hands, it's going to be completely perfect. So I wanted to give it a little while to play with my hair a little bit so I can, you know, gauge how I feel about it. Only thing, or the only issue that I really have with this hair is probably just like how it gets a little bit dry and the shedding, but the hair is processed, so that's to be expected. I still have to try some products out to maintain the moisture in the hair or keep it moisturized so it does not break off even more. But overall, I really do like it. I think I'm going to stay blonde. I think this is going to be a new thing for me. But I guess I'll come back in maybe like another 3 weeks to give you guys an update. I will have it linked down below. So if you are interested in the unit, just go ahead and take a look down below. I will have it linked there. Also, before I forget, I am also selling lashes, beauty blenders, and tweezers. I am wearing a pair of my lashes now, and these are in the style 805. I will have my Poshmark link down below, so if you do want to purchase any of those products, you can just go ahead and check it out. I do not only have this style of lashes, a couple of different styles on there, so just go ahead and check it out. Let me think what else. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at majesty_Dior and my beauty page at Dior_MUA. I will also have that link down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And just thumbs this video up if you like this unit, or if you're a woman of color, let me know down below if you are bold enough to rock blonde. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can know when I post stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.